starting the look with the biggest box over here. This is Renee's skincare combo. It has two facial oils, one which is pre-makeup, which is like as a primer or a base for makeup it can be used. So it's called Renee Glass Glow Pre-Makeup Oil Prep and Glow All Day. And the other one is Renee's Texture Fix Post Makeup Oil. This is after you're done, after you remove the makeup and everything, cleansing your face. Before going to bed, you can apply this oil just to kind of rejuvenate your skin. I'm going to be starting with the Renee Glass Glow Pre-Makeup Oil. Product inside looks like this. This is also a glass pot and it comes with a dropper kind of a thing to pick your product and apply it all over your face. So I'm going to pick some oil in this dropper and apply it with my hands. I'm going to rub it in between my fingers and then apply it on my face. So I'm going to let this thing get absorbed into my skin, taking a orange color corrector by Stars Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply this on my hyperpigmentation, so the dark spots on my face. When I'm done with my orange corrector, I'm going to be applying some foundation on my neck. For my neck, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Stick Type Foundation. This is in the shade F11. I'm going to be mixing Maybelline Fit Me Foundation 330 and a little bit of the strobing cream, again by Maybelline. Having applied a facial oil for the base and also mixing the strobing cream with the foundation, so the completed look is kind of very shiny and glossy kind of a thing. So I'm going to be going over the base makeup with my beauty blender just to see to it that the foundation does not move. So that is done. Next I'm going to go with the concealer, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. And now I'm going to be setting the entire base makeup with some loose powder. I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Minerals loose powder. So next product, again we are going to go back to Renee. And this is the Renee Fab Face Combo. So it comes with two sticks, the Fab Face Nude Collection and the Fab Face Diva. So I'm going to be using the Diva one right now. It has got it comes in three kind of interchangeable tabs, and for the eyes, one for the cheeks, and the last one for the lips. So before on our channel we had reviewed the Fab 5 lipstick by Renee again. It had 5 tabs with 5 different shades of lipstick all in one pen or one stick. So if you haven't already watched that video, I will leave the link down in the description below. You can click on that and watch that video. So I think it is on the same kind of basis. This stick also works, which you can remove from the top and kind of insert from the bottom and bring the next tab onto the top. So this has got eyes, cheeks and lips like I said. So I'm going to go in with the Diva stick. I'm going to be taking the eyes first. So this is how the product looks. Since this is a creamy texture which I actually love, it is very superbly pigmented, but I have a doubt that it will move and it will not last for a long time, which I'm not sure about. So like I said, this is a cream product. I need to set it with powder product. So I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glazed. This is called Saturn, and it's got nice beautiful peachy and yellow kind of shimmer and matte shades. So I'm going to be taking this golden glittery shade over here, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. See, like I said, you can already see the creasing on my eyelids. This is not how we want our like festive makeup look to look. So I have to set this with a powder product. I'm taking the Maybelline Hyper Glitz ink in black. Color Bar Duo Mascara, I am taking the lengthening side of the mascara. So mascara is done. Now we can move on to the cheek part of the stick. I'm taking out the eyes and putting it in the bottom, so pushing it up so that the cheek tab comes up. And this is again a creamy kind of product, and it's for my cheeks, so I'm just going to apply a little bit on my cheeks and I'm going to blend it out with a blender. Again, I see very light pigment, but it does its job, I think. So for a natural kind of a flush, this is more than enough. But if you are wearing it on a festive day, this is just not enough. I'm going to go back with the eyes and add the highlight. So like I said, it is just not enough, and every cream product needs to be set with the powder product. So I'm going to go with this with powder highlighter and powder blush. So going over the cream product with a powder product, it is for setting the product as well as to bring out the pigment, to make it more intensive. And especially since this is a festive look, I want it to be more intensive. So now that I have applied a powder blush and a powder highlighter over the cream, it kind of looks a lot more festive now, I can tell. Okay, so for the lips, it is a bright red lipstick. So again, this is really festive and it goes amazingly with the golden eyes. I have another product by Rennie that I really want to try right now. So that said, I'm moving on to the third, which is the Rennie's lip gloss combo. So this is how the product looks from inside. It has got 4 cute mini lip glosses. And I think there are shades for this. So one is the Nice and Nude, which looks like this. The next one is the Pink Powwow. The third one is Pucker Up Peach. And the fourth, which I'm going to try right now, it's called It's Bloody Red. So going over the lipstick with a lip gloss kind of makes it more shiny and glittery and festive. This is not really necessary. If you like your lipstick matte, then you can just leave it like this, but I want to add some gloss. And there you go, this is the completed makeup look. So I have used as many Rene products as possible, and to give a quick review, the Glass Glow pre-makeup facial oil is actually amazing, but it would do a greater job for people with dry skin rather than people with combination skin or oily skin. I would personally not use a lot of it. The post makeup facial oil though, it is actually amazing. I have already used it like twice or thrice, and after removing the makeup it kind of settles the skin really well. So that is something that is a huge thumbs up from my side. Then the next thing is the Fab Face Stick, and all the three kind of products in this stick is like creamy. Lipstick has to be creamy, but the cheeks and eyes, you will have to set it with a powder product if you want it to stay for a longer time. Though it is actually very pigmented and amazing, so it is something that is very easy when you are on the go, when you're traveling, or you just want to refresh your makeup when you're out. And the third product are the cute little lip glosses, which I absolutely love. This is not the first time I'm using it. I am a huge lip gloss fan because I'm from the 90s, so obviously I love lip glosses. It's a huge thumbs up from my side. Have a really fun and safe Diwali. If you're watching my video and you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell icon so that you will be notified every time I put up a video. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you want to buy the Rene products that I have used in this video, then I will leave the links in the description below. You can check them out and you can buy these products for yourself. Until the next time I get back to you guys with another amazing video, bye bye and take care.